Hello guys, I'll be reviewing the dishwasher Electrolux. This is model ESF6010BW. Okay. This has 8 settings. Rinse, quick, glass, care, eco, normal, and intense. By the way, you need a power 220 volts to power up your dishwasher, and also a water supply. You can use the normal during normal washing. Okay, I can show you inside. This is inside. There's 2 layer. One layer here for the plates, small plates like this, and big plates. Also the glasses here. Then the second layer will be for the cups, the short one, because the tray is quite short. Then the spoons will be placed here. There's a 2 layer for the spoon. Then there's a low power. Okay. Then after you place everything inside, you just close it. Very nicely. And also the other one. Yeah. Then before you turn on the power, you need to put the soap here. There's a tray here. You can put the soap. I will show you the soap with my assistant. The soap is like this one. This is the soap. You need to this is the soap. Then you need to remove the cover. Then you will put it here. But you need to remove the cover first. Then you put it. Then you will close the door. Then turn on. Then go to normal and start. Then when you start, then it will start the washing process. Okay. Then actually you can use the quick. This process will take around 2 hours to 3 hours. If you want faster, you can switch to quick. Quick is around 30 minutes. Then if you want to wash glass for the wine glass, you can use the glass care, and you can use also eco. And if it is too dirty, you can use the intensive. Then you can also rinse. Yeah. Okay, that's all for my review for this dishwasher. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.